Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Stellar Lumens. We're going to be discussing whether or not, this is a time to worry if you are a holder of Stellar Lumens. I'm going to share my personal analysis with you guys. If you are a holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. But, if we're looking at the markets, you guys can see, we are seeing quite a significant drop in the markets, especially over the last 24 hours. And if we look at the last 7 days, you guys can see majority of the altcoins are down quite a bit right now. And all the reason as to why this is happening is because of Bitcoin. But if we go across the board, you guys can see, like I said, a massive bloodbath across the board. But I wanted to share something very interesting with you guys, which is a bullish for Stellar. And let me explain that to you guys. So you guys can see Stellar right here. Let's just look at its example, top 28 project in the cryptocurrency market ranking. In the last 24 hours, it's only down 0.2%, and in the last week it's down 5.3%. And now if we're looking at the majority of the altcoins, they're down way more compared to what we're seeing Stellar do, and that is quite impressive, and that shows the strength the holders have. And you can see this for yourself, guys. In BTC comparative right now, it's up 3.5%. That's exactly what I'm talking about. And we're going to examine what is going on and what are some next targets that we could be aiming for the price of Stellar. So if we're looking at the price of Stellar right now, currently sitting at 9 cents, down 0.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's up 3.5% in Bitcoin comparative, and that is beautiful to see. The market cap is currently sitting at $2.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $47.8 million. But now let's shift our focus towards the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So you guys can see right now, before we even get to Stellar, you can see that Bitcoin is seeing quite a significant retracement within its price, and obviously we are seeing altcoins really bleed. We're seeing Bitcoin sitting below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. But if we shift our focus towards the price of Stellar, I am really impressed as to how strong Stellar really has been holding at this support line, of course, which has been a massive level of support for the price of Stellar over the past few months. And we did go all the way down to that 8.6 cents mark, but we got supported quite well around here. And you guys can see when Bitcoin had a retracement back in February at that back in March at $19,000, we did see Stellar go to 7.5 cents mark. And if you picked up some Stellar around there, you saw it pump up 54% after that. And right now, the important thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is that we need to see the price hold like this right now. And if we go back to, let's just say we go back to I'll go back to April 30th. Since April 30th, the price is down about 7.3%. And if we go on Bitcoin and go on April 30th for the price of BTC and see how much Bitcoin has retraced since then, you guys can see Bitcoin has retraced about 8.7%. So Stellar has retraced less compared to Bitcoin, and that is huge because look what's happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is still quite high, and when this is the case and Bitcoin goes down, altcoins are going to drop even harder. But we're seeing Stellar hold really strong, guys, and this is quite bullish. And if you are a holder, this is exactly what you really want to be seeing. The best thing I would like to see Stellar do right now is, of course, get back into this range, which is around that 9.4 cents mark to that 9.5 cents range, and slowly start creeping up to this level of resistance, because this is very important for the price to be above. But with that said, if Bitcoin drops below to 25K mark, which is, there's definitely a chance, I'm not going to deny that. And if you guys are a long-term, if you're on my channel, you guys know I've been talking about this 25K mark, which is on the table. If that were to come true, we could potentially see Stellar start retesting possibly those March prices. But with this momentum that I'm seeing, I like what I'm seeing right now, and this shows the strength of the bulls for Stellar. So times like this is where you really understand the strength of the holders, and this is what we're seeing, and this is what I like, and I just wanted to share that with you guys before a lot of people start going insane, because of course right now is a scary time in the crypto space. Bitcoin seeing a retracement, and a lot of altcoins are bleeding hard, but I like what I'm seeing with Stellar. And of course, if Bitcoin starts moving towards the upside, I would not be surprised if Stellar starts moving back above that level of resistance quite fast. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Stellar going. Of course, if it were to go down, you guys know, like, if you are in it for the long haul, you were waiting to be accumulating at those cheaper prices, guess what, you might get another opportunity. So that's another opportunity for you to be dollar cost averaging in. Yet we still have to see that altcoin season start. So again, the opportunity is still there within the cryptocurrency space for a lot of altcoins. That is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.